Hey, what's up everyone? This is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. Today we are going to make a video about OBS Studio, how to download and install. Actually, a couple days before, I have uploaded video on YouTube how to fix no property available on OBS Studio, and I got a couple comments. People was asking me, can I show how to download and install? So in this video we will just only download and install OBS Studio. For that one it's really simple. Before we go to the video, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please click on the subscribe button, then click on ring bell button so you can get the latest video notification from my channel. To download, we are going to open Safari on MacBook. If you have a Windows PC, then you open Google Chrome or Google, or you can open any internet browser you have it. Here I have options. I'm going to click on Google. I will type here OBS Studio. Simply I have to click on OBS Studio. I will choose the first option. You will see list here, and I'm going to choose here, say download. It will be have a same process on any other computer, Windows, PC, iMac, MacBook. It will work same. So we are going to click on download. Now we are on OBS Studio window, and here you have to choose what operating system you have. If you have a PC, then you are going to choose this window option. If you have a MacBook or iMac or any Apple computer, then I'm gonna choose this Apple logo. Otherwise you're gonna use this Linksys. I'm going to download on MacBook, so I will click on Apple logo. Once I click, you will see this one is light blue and these ones are white. Now I will click here download installer. Once I click on download installer, you will see it pop up over here and is downloading. This one is only 116 MB. As you can see, it take a couple seconds. Video is downloaded already. Now we can close this window. We have nothing to do. Now we are going to a download folder. We will open here on Finder, download folder. I will see here OBS Studio is already downloaded. I will double click to install. It will take a couple seconds. It will verify. Then it will take process OBS Studio over here. It got over here OBS Studio. Now you can double click. It's already installed and you can use. Our OBS Studio is ready to use. I will give you one more trick. OBS Studio and application over here, and it says application over here. So if you go to setting and you go to, or you say here, you go to Finder, then we go to application, and you will see here your all applications. I have a OBS Studio already, but if you don't see your application here, you want to bring an application folder. What you have to do, simply you can drag this folder. You can just command click and drag to the application. I have it already, so I don't need it. Simply you can just drag this OBS to application and you will be good to go. That's all for today. We have already downloaded and installed OBS Studio. Now we can eject from here. Anytime I need a OBS Studio, I can go here and search. I can type here OBS Studio. It will come in a docking station, or you can remove, up to you. Hope you guys like my video. Thank you very much. See you in next video with a new topic.